I just got down from Hikkaduwa and found ATM, secured the resource, and right now I'm here at the beach. Look at this. What a wonderful beach. I'm not sure why the water is like a little bit cloudy. Need to check whether it's safe to take a sea bath, because I am craving for a sea bath for a very long time, and yeah, there is like a couple, small couple, I don't know, couple or a family or whatever. They're taking pictures and enjoying the sea. Nobody else is here. I can see Pizza Hut, Hikkaduwa, 200 meters ahead. Anyway, I'm not going to eat Pizza Hut here unless food is very bad. Look at this spectacular beach. It's really nice. Wow. I think it's been a very long time I've been to a beach. Okay, let's see guys. I need to eat something. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna go check out a place to eat. And then after that I need to find my my hotel. I have no plans for tonight. I don't know. I definitely need to go to the sea and let's see how it goes. Let me go back to the city, town, and then check a place to eat. I think this beach looks dead. I don't know, because of the pandemic. I guess the beach looks dead. Wow! Look at this water. Look at all this water. Look at these guys. There's a lot of them. Okay, I don't want to get wet right now. So see you when I see you. After a long journey, I just arrived in my accommodation, my hotel. Actually, it's a nice place. If you look at this place, okay, you guys can see what's behind me. These are made from the coconut leaves. So the entire room is same. They put some clothing cover, I think, to protect the bed from the dust, maybe. Everything else is made out of this coconut leaf sheets made out of coconut leaves, and there is a tiny toilet. I don't know if there is any light. There is a small light. If you guys can see, it's very dark, and the shower is outside. I'm sweating a lot. I took a walk. It's a nice place, nice comfortable bed, and there is a balcony also. Wow, look at this place. There is a socket for the power. Then I don't know what this is, but it's there. And there is something. I think it's empty. And room with a view. Room with a view. So this is a small path. Not a path, actually, it's a road. And that's the main road which is heading towards the sea, beach. And the land beside me, it's a bare land. I mean, no one is there. So that's the room. Anyway, yep, I'm gonna stay here tonight. Actually, I need to okay, there is a fan. Oh, it works. I hope nothing will collapse. Okay, that's great. I like this skylight. Yeah, actually, I bought some supplies from the town. Bought some supplies which I'm gonna keep right here. Some water, some couple of Coke Zero. Ah, it's very hot, and some snacks, chocolates, peanuts. So this is the room. So it's not much. Um, I'm actually not sure how much I'm paying for this. I think something around 10 or $12. I think that's the rate of this room. Um, let me check so I can tell you exactly. I think, yeah, this one I'm paying. Oh wow, it's under $8, and yeah, it's actually nice. The owner is really nice. He's very friendly. He own a small restaurant in the Hikkaduwa town, and he told me that if I want, he can arrange some things to visit, some places to visit. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. If it happens, it happens. So you will see. He's very nice and friendly, and I have a very nice mirror. Oh, look at me! I'm sweating. I need to take shower, and I need to check on my boat tour. What do you call that? Raft. Yeah, raft tour. So see you when I see you.